This guy fucked up. I don't know how much more fucked up you can get. Oh yeah. See it in there? That bad? There's oil everywhere. Coming out the compressor housing on the turbos, the exhaust housing on turbos. You got a whole oil stain on the ground or puddle on the ground from frickin' coming out the turbo. Good job. This customer decided to try to install a scavenge pump by himself on his twin turbo setup, and well, he really fucked up. Ended up snapping off the crankshaft bolt inside the crankshaft. Smart. Went from a cheaper install to a $10,000 fuck up. Yeah, this is fucked up, bro. That's absolutely disgusting. Now, Kim, what are we doing?
Oh, come on.
Now we're pulling out the motor out of the car to now, well, replace this crankshaft that he fucked up. That's one turbo. That's number 2. I don't think oil's supposed to come out there at all.
I know something's fucked up when I see something fucked up.